This is the video for EGT 252 using the book Commercial Design using AutoCAD 2013, 14, 15, or 16. Again, this video is going to show you what we're looking for. This is not a video to show you how to do the exercises here. By this time you should already know how to complete the different exercises in here by following the book. I just have a sheet list to show you what we're looking for. But basically, you're going to have a grid, and you're going to have to dimension that grid, because it's very important, because everything you do is going to be laid out according to this grid. And if this is off, then it's going to show up later in the project. Okay. You have to create a lot of columns here. Use your block editor. Sometimes we like to just draw it and not use the block editor, but this is very important to use the block editor because it's going to change on you, and it's a lot easier to change one and update everything than go back and change every single one. So that's one mistake I see on this. But basically, you're going to create the grid, create the walls, external, internal walls, and then there's going to be a lot of text. There's going to be a lot of furniture that goes in here. And again, you can look online to Autodesk Seek or many other sites, and we can find a lot of the furniture here and put those in. We're not really concerned. I mean, you can draw a lot of this, and you can also find a lot. And also there's going to be a lot of detail work. So this student has drawn everything inside of one drawing, which is nothing wrong with that. Or you can draw individual drawings. Sometimes it's just easier to put everything in here. Make sure you save it in a separate location and update both hourly, daily, because you're putting everything in one drawing. If you lose it, you lose it all. It's very convenient to do it this way, but make sure you have a backup. Okay? And you're going to have a lot of layers, different layers here. So you're going to create, you're probably going to have a list of, I don't even know how many, but there's going to be a lot of different layers you're going to have to use. Okay, what I'm going to do is start out, we're in the model space here. I'm going to go and show you the different, there's like 15, I think 15 different sheets that you have to turn in. And let's start with sheet 1. Sheet 1 is just a cover sheet with a table and an elevation view of the campus, which is the library that you will be drawing. Okay, very straightforward. Sheet 2 is just a plan view with the grid dimensions of the library with everything included there. Okay, so that's sheet 2. Sheet 3 is the library without the grid. Sheet 4 is a detail of one of the bathrooms that you'll do. And again, you're going to have that commercial design using AutoCAD book from SDC Publications. It's written by Daniel John Stein. You're going to have that book to do this. This is just giving you an idea of what I'm looking for as the end project. Sheet 5, another detail, cabinets, copier. Six, kitchen detail. 7, detail of the auditorium, kind of showing the steps and the walls. It's a lecture room. 8, this is just a elevation view of the library, which we used on the cover sheet. 9, It's a cabinet detail. Should be at least 2 of these. Sheet 10 without the drawers. Sheet 11, detailed the floor, tile. 12, another corner of wall detail. 13, okay. 14, and 15, which is going to be a room finish schedule, and you'll fill that in. So we're looking at these 15 sheets. Use 11 by 17. Turn those in for the final project for the commercial design building. And again, this video is just to show you what we're looking for. It's not a how-to video. If you want a how-to video, go back and look at EGT 110 on AutoCAD, and it will show you how to do the basics in AutoCAD that will help you here. So again, go back to 110 if you need to refer to anything, or go look in the book and get the how-tos.